Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create text with motion blur effect in the CapCut Mobile. So first, you just need to write your text, but in this case, I'm using a song lyrics. So here, I'm going to use the auto lyrics feature first. Click on the audio, click on text, and here click on the auto lyrics. Now click on generate first and wait for the lyrics to show up. Okay, so this is the lyrics as you guys can see here. Here I'm going to change the text by adding the animation. So I'm going to make it appear word by word. Click on the caption and find the animations that you like. Let's try this word by word. Okay, I'm going to use this bounce out, and I'm going to change the font here into this palette, and I'm going to also change the size of the text like this, and let's put it at the center. Click on the check icon, and this will be the result. So export this first. Okay, so after it's done, open the text video in the new project. Click on add, and here click on the video and find the motion blur. Okay, this one. Here you can adjust the blur and the blend into your liking, and after that just click on check icon and wait for the motion blur effect to apply to the text. Okay, so the motion blur has been applied and this is the result. So that's how you can you can create motion blur text. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.